Dear friends, can we just spare a few minutes and talk about Cassava Network today? Okay, and see what's up with them. I've seen people talk about this Cassava app, Cassava Network, how they're making $200 in a month, 500 USDT in a month, 50 USD in a week. How are they making this money? How are they getting the money from the platform? Now, real quick, this is not a review of, maybe say, a scam review or a review that talks about the legitimacy of an app. No, it is just having a look at an Afrocentric project. Okay, a project that have an African theme in it that is focused on African youth. Okay, so how are these guys making the money? How are how are they doing it? Now, I found this on Facebook, I think some weeks ago. I've already been taking it serious. Okay, until I saw a notification, something I think on Telegram about it, and I was like, man, it's about time I talk about Cassava. Okay, Cassava. What is Cassava? Cassava is a social media platform that is focused on Africans. Africans that are in the Web3 space. Okay, Africans in crypto space, Africans in the blockchain industry. Those are the target audience of Cassava. Okay, and a quick look at what where these guys are coming from. They've been working on this project way back to 2022, and in such a short time they've been to acquire thousands and thousands of users. Okay, and that is quite impressive, honestly. Okay, that is quite impressive. All right, so they have a wallet, there are ways you earn money. But before I actually go into how they earn money, before I go into how people are making USDT, how they are earning the CB token on the platform, I'd like to give you an overview of it. These guys raise some money. I think, look at this. According to Crunchbase, they have raised a total of $8 million. Look at that. They have raised a total of $8 million. Last year, that was May last year, just a little bit above 1 year ago. YBB Foundation, Test Ventures are the most recent investors. Can you see that on the Google page? I don't even have to open that. Okay, and according to let me say CryptoRank.io platform, okay, they are still saying the same thing. So meaning that this guy actually spent some money on publicity, okay, so that people can get to know more and more about them. Okay, and I believe that this project is being executed by a team that have an experience, that have a wide range of experience, okay, in this industry. Obviously, because of their PR and all that, their PR, the way they connected with influencers across the continent, in Ghana, in Nigeria, they seem to be the rave of the moment at the moment. Okay, so if you go to their website, let me see. I'm going to search for Cassava Network. No, you can't even get the price now. Let me just go back to the website. Okay, because I'm not sure it is being listed on any platform at the moment. Okay, they are still at the early stage of acquiring user base. Okay, getting more people to sign up. That's exactly what they are spending money on at the moment. So if you scroll, you can see these are their products. The wallet overview. Designed for Africans. They have investors. Other VAS invested in them. Bella. Emugu. Like most of the investors actually came from the Cardano ecosystem, obviously. Okay, some of them actually came from the Cardano ecosystem. As you can see, Emugu, Adavas, they are all from the Cardano ecosystem. So, they have some other partners with like Boomplay, Playfest, GameFest, and the rest of them. More partners, sport betting company, music stream. So it is just a matter of time that this guy will actually transform, and you now begin to see what they are selling. Okay. Right now, it doesn't seem like they're selling anything to you, because they actually give you some bonuses, here and there. You make free money on the platform. So it's about time you go there and make your own free money too. Okay, because the money is there, the investment is there. Okay, it's about time, because they want to reward the early users. So it's about time that you go to the platform and make your own money too. So how do you make that money? Okay, first you have to sign up on their website. There's a link in the video description where you can sign up. Okay, so just check the video description. There's a link right there. So sign up on the platform. When you sign up on the platform with your email address, your password, they send a code to your email. You input that code in your email address. You input that code on the platform. Then it will direct you to the Play Store, where you can go and download the mobile app. Okay, once you download the mobile app, the next one to do is to sign in. Okay, you sign in on the platform. Okay, then you have access to an interface like this. Okay, although this is still a work in progress, and I believe they're going to be updating this more and more, as you can see. So they sign up. Then where is the money? That's the question in your mind, isn't it? Where is the money? How do you make money for the platform? So they have the earning. To click on earning, you see all kind of tasks. Okay, I think I did one of their tasks today. I got 820 CB today. You can see how much people are winning. With the more you actually completing this task, you'll be earning USDT. People are actually earning USDT, and they are sending that money to their Binance accounts. Okay, so you can see, and these are the points I've earned, recently. So these are the tasks. So they have quizzes, move to earn on daily basis, check in for logging in, verify your Telegram, your Discord, and there are tasks for newbies. Okay, did you see that? Then you can also refer your friends. Okay, you refer your friends, your loved ones to join the platform. You also get some CB from that. Okay, nobody have an idea of how much CB will worth in the next couple of years. Nobody have an idea if they're going to be listing on Binance, or they're going to be listing on Coinbase or some other platforms. Nobody have an idea. But I believe because of the fact that they have some investment, they have some global interest in the platform. Okay, they definitely are going to be listing on top exchanges. All right, and all of these 3 points will mean so much to you in the next couple of months from now. Okay, and aside that, you actually earn USDT. Okay, so if you go to credit, you can see, if you go to the wallet, where is it again? So you can create a wallet inside the mobile app. Can you see? So you can create a wallet if you want. All right, so that wallet will be important for you, as you proceed on this journey. And you can also connect with Wallet Connect if you have an existing wallet address you want to link to this platform. Okay, so you have an off-chain. Can you see the point on off-chain? So that is how to go about it. You have quizzes. You can participate in quizzes. Refer friends to earn. Check in daily. And if you click on move to earn, what do you see from here? Okay, it allows you to start. You move around for that day. At the end of the day, by the time you complete 10,000 steps for that day, okay, then definitely you are going to be rewarded 200 CB for that. So, like, if you do this for 1 month, then you're getting about 6,000 CB. That's a whole lot of token. Honestly, that is a whole lot of token right there. Okay, so make sure you use the app. Okay, sign up with my invite link. I'm inviting you right now. Check the description, the comment box. Go right there and participate. Okay, don't be left behind, because I don't want this to be a case whereby when they are fully launched out next year, okay, and this token begin to have some value, then you're going to miss out of it. Okay, so don't miss out of this. Every means possible. All right, so it's really an interesting platform, and I'm really proud that this is being developed by Africans and for Africans. Okay, so and basically I love to talk about Afrocentric project. Honestly, it gives me joy when I say that people are actually building. Okay, our colleagues are building, people are building a space. Okay, and they are making sure that we do not only rely on infrastructure that has been built by people outside of the continent. Okay, we rely on our own infrastructure, on our own talent, on our own brain. So this gives you a lot of joy. All right, so ordinarily I would have signed up on platform like this, but when I discovered that this is an African-based project, I had to sign up. Okay, and if you look at the app, they spend so much energy, time, and resources and money on building the app. It looks very, very robust. The interface looks really, really robust to me. Okay, so guys, don't not miss out of this. Make sure if you are subscribed on this channel, or you are just watching this for the first time, make sure that you actually join this platform. All right, and when you join this platform, then search for, there's going to be a link, a code. Search for Crypto Niche Circle on the platform and join it. Okay, search for Crypto Niche Circle platform and join it. So come here now. Okay, you see this trust circle. Okay, so this is for Crypto Niche. So if you want to join, okay, I want to join the circle. Let me check real quick. Let me check. Okay, so you're gonna search with this code. This is our circle code. Okay, search with it, then you are able to join that trust circle right there. Okay, that's how to go about it. All right, so I'm going to be expecting you that cycle. I'm going to expect you very soon to join that cycle. I'm seeing you in another video review. So bye for now, and enjoy the rest of the day.